It's your father?
This is my dad. This is my son. This is
Yeah.
my brother. Come on, back.
And the
That's my
artist.
phone 5 years.
Yeah, man.
He's a carver.
Yeah, man.
He's a carver, Rocky.
Mhm.
He's a carver.
I
Yeah.
know me buy him thing. Me get my pipe from.
Alright.
You see me?
You could go. Yeah, man. Yeah, carry on. I mean, I walk there.
You go walk now?
Yeah, man, I walk tonight.
All night tonight?
Yes, man, I walk tonight. Yeah, really come.
Alright.
Let's go on, go off me out here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, man.
My lad. It's nice around here, someone. See me? Negril, everybody. Jamaica Good Life start here, son. And I go spread all over the island. See me? I go eat food, laugh, and enjoy life. I'm gonna be. See me? What's your mission in this series for Jamaica Good Life?
Well, I mean, I would like when this go out, people see and know that Jamaica is really a good place to come and live. And that's what I say, in spite of all of the negative we must about Jamaica is a good place. Yeah, man, straight up, you know. Because you still have good people in Jamaica. No matter how you take out, you still have good people in Jamaica.
Yeah. What make people bad people? Bad mind, lack of resources.
I would say some people don't want to work and they see you achieve something and bad mind you for it. I understand they will also try to kill you for it, and that is all over the world, not only Jamaica. It's all over the world, you know? But if a man decide to work hard in living, he survive, man. Yeah.
And you've seen many parts of Jamaica.
Come again.
You've seen many parts, the good
Yes,
and the
man.
bad.
I've seen the good and the
Does
bad.
the bad outweigh the good?
No. No matter how you hear the good and bad in Jamaica, the good still always bad.
Yeah. They don't promote that on the news?
No.
So media is a part of the
Media is a part of the negative of Jamaica.
yeah.
Because they show the bad side and not show the good side.
Yeah. I mean, look at these people. When you see them walking in harmony and different colors, different cultures. I mean, and people say, don't go to Negril, don't go to Montego Bay. They're killing people left and right.
Yeah, but if you follow the statistics of the world news overall, when you have like say 10 people died in Jamaica in one day, certain parts of America have hundreds of people died and nobody hears about it. You know, Germany the same thing. A German guy told me that day, look man, what is going on in Jamaica worse than in Germany? Yeah, he told me that point blank, you know. So you know, Jamaica is not the worst part of the world. It's just because Jamaica is small. That's why I paint a bad picture on us, because we are very small.
Do you think most of the times when Jamaicans do business here from America, they get scammed a lot of times?
Yes.
It creates a bad precedent.
That creative but negative.
How do you think we could, because when I met you, I felt a trustworthiness about you. How did you develop your ability where people can trust you? Where did that come from? And
Well,
how do you broadcast that to
You know, that's the way I was brought up.
Yeah.
I grew up not to bad man nobody, and I read that for people things. No matter what I see you with, I tell myself I can achieve it if I work for it. So through that, I never bad man nobody for nothing. And I read that, you know. And if a Jamaican can think that way, we'll be good.
So it's a mindset.
It's a mindset. I would say it's a foolish person try to be what they are not. If you know that you cannot live up to a certain standard, don't start it from the beginning.
Yeah.
Humble yourself in your small corner and you can be victorious.
Yeah.
Whatever thing you do, you know?
Yeah. What do you say about the bleaching in Jamaica?
I hate it.
You hate it?
Yes, I definitely hate bleaching.
Do you favor brown girls over dark girls?
No.
Do you favor weave out of natural hair?
No.
So you're Afrocentric?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I hate bleaching, man. When I see somebody bleach, it burns my heart, man.
Yeah.
Because bleaching, in the long run, gonna lead to skin cancer. And then when that disease break out in Jamaica here, it's not gonna be nice.
But some of the men, they love the brownings.
Yes, and some of the brownings are not real brownings.
Okay.
Some of them are not real brownings, you know?
Why can't the government ban the cream if it's causing cancer and stuff?
I don't know.
They should ban a lot of it.
I think so. Because for a black man to turn into a white man, what do you think can happen?
Mm-hmm.
And the moment he stopped bleach, he became blacker than he was. Yeah, blacker than he was.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Good insight. Trusted. You're the
man.
trusted Jamaican. And there are many out there. There are many Jamaicans you can trust. We just have to search and find them.
Yeah.
It's not even them religion or how much them know God.
No.
It is the foundation of how them grow up.
How they grow up. Yeah.
Okay. You find people more in the country are a little bit more different from people in Kingston.
Yes.
Do you find that throughout your life?
Yes.
In what way?
In the country, people more unite than in Kingston.
Yeah?
Long way, yeah.
Because you say that big statement, a whole heap of people at Kingston. yo.
No, it's the truth. It's the truth.
Yeah.
In Kingston, people have no time for each other. In the country, they are our brothers keeper. If you're in the country and you need a hand of banana, you don't have to buy it. Master, make a banana. This is the one the man cut off your one. In Kingston, you got to buy it. So in the country here, it's more, we're more united in the country than Kingston. Yeah, man.
Wow. So it go. The hospital system is kind of rough though in Jamaica.
Yeah.
A lot of returning residents don't want to come back.
Right, because of the crime.
Because of the crime. Because when you even go to the hospital, you have to pay for everything.
What they're saying.
Why the big young man?
There's a time, man. No, make the car pull up. The car pull up. The car pull up, Tom. Tell man, the car full up. May have four somebody in the car and some goods.
No. Jamaican and they know.
No, me have to kiss something in the car. I can't carry it. I tell you, Tom, man. The car pull up, man.
Gotcha.
Oi!
Swell. Can't swell. You know, can't swell. I can't go.
You want what? You want Aki Randy? Yeah. Salman, I tell you, if we never nobody in the car, we carry around. The car full up, man. Looking at the car, see that? Somebody in the car, I force man in the car inside. They full up, man. Run, Talman, we pull up, man. You know, man, we pull up, Talman. We pull up. So I think you're supposed to take care of him. I'm sick, you know. You know, if you can't pull back, I can't run. I'm full up, so I can't run. I left the car full up, man.
The hospital. Rough, yes.
Yeah, that's what Jamaica
People
is.
pressure the government to make it better.
Well, I think the government is trying its best, but he has free healthcare now. Free healthcare is here now. But what they are saying now, if you can afford to pay, you pay. If you can't afford to pay, they say take care of you.
Okay.
Yeah, so the free health is really
So
here.
them check your income.
They check and see if you can afford to pay. Once you can afford to pay, the user fee.
Yeah.
And the user fee is not much. If you can't afford it, but they still take care of you. You know? What really has soak up the healthcare now, the doctors them is one of them soaking up the healthcare in the hospital.
Yeah.
The time they should be working, they are idling. So you have a lot of people in there for days, 2 days before they get through.
The doctor them a hide?
A idler.
Idle. I sold that them out.
Huh?
I sold that. How much for the soup?
Soup over there.
How much for the soup? What kind of soup am I?
What kind of soup you have to do now?
Let's go check that.
Probably have post,